Welcome back to the Calm Mind channel. Today, we have an important topic to discuss that affects us all: stress. In our fast-paced world, stress has become a constant companion, but fret not. In this video, we will explore effective stress management and relaxation techniques that can help you cope with the pressures of daily life. So sit back, relax, and let's dive in. The first technique we'll be discussing is mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of being fully present in the moment, aware of your thoughts, feelings, and bodily sensations without judgment. It's a powerful tool for reducing stress. To practice mindfulness, find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and focus your attention on your breath. Notice the sensation of the air entering and leaving your body. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your attention back to your breath. Practice this for a few minutes every day, and you'll begin to feel a sense of calm and clarity. Next up, we have deep breathing exercises. Deep breathing is a simple yet effective technique that can instantly calm your nervous system and reduce stress. Let's try it together. Sit comfortably, with your back straight and your eyes closed. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, counting to 4. Hold your breath for a moment, and then exhale slowly through your mouth, counting to 6. Repeat this several times, focusing on the sensation of your breath entering and leaving your body. Deep breathing can be done anywhere, anytime, and it's a fantastic tool to have in your stress management toolkit. Now, let's move on to stress-reducing activities. Engaging in activities that bring you joy and help you unwind is crucial for managing stress. Find something that you genuinely enjoy, whether it's reading, painting, playing a musical instrument, or going for a walk in nature. The key is to make time for these activities regularly, as they provide a much-needed break from the pressures of everyday life and help recharge your batteries. Another effective technique is physical exercise. Exercise not only improves your physical health but also has a profound impact on your mental well-being. Engaging in regular physical activity releases endorphins, the feel-good hormones, which can help reduce stress and boost your mood. It doesn't have to be intense or time-consuming. Even a short walk or a few minutes of stretching can make a significant difference. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of a support system. Reach out to your loved ones, friends, or even professional counselors when you're feeling overwhelmed. Talking about your stress and concerns can provide a fresh perspective, and sometimes, simply sharing your feelings can be incredibly cathartic. Remember, managing stress is a journey, and it's essential to find what works best for you. Whether it's mindfulness, deep breathing, engaging in stress-reducing activities, exercising, or seeking support, incorporating these techniques into your daily routine can make a world of difference. That's it for today's video on stress management and relaxation techniques. We hope you found these methods helpful and that you'll give them a try. Remember, taking care of your mental health should always be a priority. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.